Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need a new paint job or touch-up, to order new parts, or a tune-up, at Patriot Subaru we provide complete service for your Subaru vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to transmission repairs. Here at Patriot Subaru's state-of-the-art green facility, you can relax in our customer reception area with free coffee, Wi-Fi, computers, and a TV, while our highly trained Subaru Master Technicians utilize our 16 service bays to make sure your vehicle is serviced promptly and correctly. Come in today or visit us at www.patriotsubaru.com. While you're there, order parts and visit our accessories website. Get information about our customer drive-in area, where you're always protected from the weather. Schedule service appointments online. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Patriot Subaru is located at 769 Portland Road in Saco, Maine.